we're going to look at double running stitch. So as you can see, we've got our normal running stitch here. But if you want the look of the back stitch but you're not confident in doing the back stitch, you can actually run back through your running stitch and it becomes a double running stitch. I'm going to do it in a different colour so you can really see it, and this also gives a different look. So if you're looking for something that looks like back stitch, use the same colour as you've already used. If you're looking for something a bit different, you're trying to make a different look so people don't know you're just using the running stitch all the time, then try using 2 different colours of thread. So we're going to go up a stitch length in front of your normal running stitch. And we're going to go down really close to the start of that stitch. Going to come up again. You don't want to come up exactly the same place as you might split the stitch, but you can come up really close. Ooh, can I do it? There we go. This is going to give quite a nice stripy effect, and it is simply the running stitch but done in between the row of running stitch that you've already done. I do think it has another name as well as the double running stitch, but I can't remember what that one is now. Gives a slightly different look to the back stitch. You can see the back stitch is right next to it here. This one you can more make out the individual stitches. There isn't a blurring of the line. Make quite a nice edging stitch or border. And it just helps to mix up your stitches a little bit sometimes, even if you're not confident on doing the more advanced stitches.